VLF 20, a continuing legacy. In 2005, a festival was born. With 8 new one-act works by Filipino playwrights, the Virgin Lab Fest was launched. And since then, the numbers have been overwhelming. 20 years. The legacy of the festival lies in the success of its works, in plays which have now entered and entrenched themselves in the pantheon of Philippine theater, in works which have been performed internationally.
Galit ako sa'yo, sa sarili ko. Galit ako kung bakit ako mataba, kung bakit 38 years old ako. Galit ako kung bakit teacher ako, estudyante ka. At sa dami-dami lugar, dito pa talaga tayo nagkilala.
In works that have crossed genres and become films.
Ang trabaho natin dito, hindi tayo siya araw-araw. Kapag nakikita nila, meron kang magandang trabaho. Nakikilala kita ba natin ito?
Bakit kailangan ko ito katakal?
Dahil kaya masabihin ko, hindi na naman kita hiningay.
And ultimately, as the only annual playwrights festival in the country, the legacy of the Virgin Lab Fest lies in the playwrights, as young as 16 and as old as 88, who have the courage to write words of truth, create characters filled with reality, and tell the stories which must be told. It lies also in its training programs for playwrights and for virtually every individual involved in each of the thousands of details needed in putting up a play. Through 20 years and hundreds of challenges, the Virgin Lab Fest's ultimate legacy lies in staying true to its goal to encourage the creation of new works by Filipino playwrights. This year, VLF 20 Hino brings 12 new works, 3 revisited plays, 8 works by writing fellows, 6 talks, and an exhibit of dramaturs. The legacy of the festival lives on.